Ladies, chika, anong pinakamagandang ginawa mo sa partner mo? Yan ang naging tanong kay Donnie Pangilinan ng isang showbiz insider na medyo napaisip ang matinee idol. Sabi niya, bukod sa minamahal ko siya ng totoo at buo, pinagpipray ko siya. 'Di ba? Pray for a partner with a kind heart. Kasi naman, not someone perfect but gentle with words because not every day is happy. There will be stress, there will be tired days, there will be misunderstandings, but they still choose calm, they still choose respect. Hindi ka minumura, hindi ka tinatakot. Love feels safe. That's the prayer. Kaya't lagi ko siyang pinagpipray.